If you can't draw the invisible line in the sky, you will lose 5 marks on your board exam. Here is the ultimate boss challenge. From the top in this video, here is your battle plan. 1. The real-world setup. 2. The invisible line of sight. 3. The Z trick. 4. The proximity rule. 5. The cheat codes. 6. The full 5-mark boss solve. First things first. What is an angle of depression? Imagine you are standing at the top of a lighthouse. Look straight out at the horizon. You are standing on top of a 75-meter high lighthouse looking at 2 ships. Ship 1 is close. Ship 2 is far. Before you look down, always draw your horizontal line of sight straight out. Now look down at Ship 1, a steep 60 degrees. That is your first angle of depression. Now look at Ship 2. It is further away, so you look down only 30 degrees. Smaller angle, same trick. Remember the distances. X to Ship 1 and X plus Y to Ship 2. An angle of depression is drawn outside the triangle, which makes it impossible to solve. We need to bring it inside using the Z trick. Your horizontal line of sight is perfectly parallel to the sea. If we trace the laser path down to the ship, it forms a giant Z shape. Because of the alternate interior angles rule, the inner corners of a Z are always mathematically identical. So that top angle looking down simply slides to the bottom, transforming into the angle of elevation. Cheat code activated. Students always swap the 30-degree and 60-degree ships. To level up your math, remember the proximity rule. The closer you walk towards the lighthouse, the more you have to crane your neck up. Closer means bigger angle. And here's the final cheat code. Root 3 is for 60 degrees, and 1 over root 3 is for 30 degrees. Back to the boss question. Step 1. We know the angle 60 in this case. So it's our theta equals 60. Now remember this cheat code line. Sing it out loud. SOH CAH TOA. SOH, sin theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. SOH, cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. TOA, tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. We know opposite, and opposite comes in SOH and TOA. So it's either sine or tan, we have narrowed it down. Problem never talks about hypotenuse. Problem wants to find distance. This distance is adjacent, so it is adjacent. As the problem statement is talking about opposite and adjacent, and both appear in TOA, we know that it's tan that we need to apply to theta. Step 2. Tan 60 equals 75 over x. Step 3. Substitute tan 60. We know that tan 60 equals root 3, therefore x equals 75 over root 3, which is 25 root 3. Now for the second triangle, tan 30 equals 75 over x plus y, so x plus y equals 75 root 3. Distance is 75 root 3 minus 25 root 3, which is 50 root 3. Final answer, 86.6 meters. 5 marks secured. Boss defeated. You have just secured 5 marks on your board exam. Remember the 4 cheat codes. 1. Always draw the invisible horizontal line. 2. Use the Z trick to slide the angle inside. 3. Root 3 is for 60 degrees, and 1 over root 3 is for 30 degrees. 4. The